A hotel maid shared this trick with me, and it's amazing how simple it is. Now, I save money and always have a fresh toilet bowl. If you have laundry pods, you can do the same. Keep the plastic container from old toilet fresheners. Open it and rinse it thoroughly. Take a laundry pod that fits in the container without too much pressure. Avoid squeezing it, as the pod might burst and create a mess. Laundry pods have several key properties that make them a suitable replacement for traditional toilet cleaning tablets. They help keep the toilet bowl clean and fresh by releasing cleaning agents slowly over time. Use a sharp object, like a pin, to make a few small holes in the pod. This ensures the detergent releases gradually during flushing, providing a continuous cleaning effect. Place the container in the toilet bowl as you normally would when cleaning at home. Laundry pods work great as both fresheners and dirt controllers, and they will last a long time.